Hello kids, let's learn phonics. A for apple. A for ant. B for ball. B for banana. C for cat. C for car. D for dog. D for duck. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. F for fan. G for grapes. G for gate. H for hen. H for horse. I for igloo. I for insect. J for juice. J for jar. K for kite. K for key. L for lion. L for lollipop. M for mango. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nose. O for orange. O for octopus. P for papaya. P for penguin. Q for queen. Q for quilt. R for rabbit. R for rose. S for sun. S for spider. T for train. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for under. V for van. V for vase. W for watch. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel.